Folks, we are now officially just 30 minutes away from the beginning of summer. I know you've been waiting so long. Let's see if I can find our planet and talk about it. That's not it. Get them out of here. Wait, Earth? Nope, that's not Earth. Nope, not Earth either. Nope, there it is. I recognize it. We live right over here. See, there's our house right there. Summer solstice, when the Earth's northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, tilted about 23.5 degrees. The sun's at its highest position in the sky. Longest day of the year, shorter days are ahead, but direct rays overhead at the Tropic of Cancer, which is at 23.5 degrees north. Officially 11:24 p.m. is when summer begins. Length of daylight here is 13 hours and 47 minutes. By December, it'll be down to about 10.5 hours. So you get almost 3 bonus hours this time of year. All right. With that said, we're also 3 weeks into hurricane season, and we're tracking a tropical storm in the Gulf of Mexico. Notice we got this spinning icon here, but there's not much around it, just some clouds, but all the big stuff a long way away from the system right now. But with that said, it's still showing signs of strengthening. It's 341 miles away from us if you're counting, but watch what happens. Winds are up to 60 miles per hour, beginning to move to the northwest now at about 7. Should work its way toward the Gulf Coast, probably right near the Texas-Louisiana border. By 7, notice the winds actually go down by tomorrow evening. We don't think it's going to strengthen much more, but probably reaching land overnight tomorrow night into the early morning hours on Thursday and then fading away after that. This system has been very much weighted with all the rain on the east side. So while yes, Texas will get some rain, it'll be confined to far east Texas, Houston area, over toward Beaumont, Port Arthur, Orange, the Golden Triangle, and then it'll pull away from there. Here's the European model, and it finally agrees with pretty much all the other models. Remember, that's been the outlier for most of the last week, taking it way south while the other models are going north. But now look, the Euro turns it northward as well. And again, same thing, moves inland over East Texas and western Louisiana. Big High kind of flexes its muscles for a little bit, but eventually backs off. When it backs off, storm's gone. Notice we start to see little green stuff showing up on Sunday into Monday. A dying front pushes this direction and works with tropical moisture to give us a pretty good chance of showers, especially Monday, maybe into Tuesday before it fades away. So let's look. We're dry. Again, we might have to add something for Saturday, maybe a 10%, but look how the chances go up for Monday and Tuesday. So at least a shot at some rain, not because of Cindy. How much rain are they talking about from Cindy up to the north? We'll take a look. Here's the biggest area right in here from Biloxi over to Mobile and the Florida Panhandle, 6 to 9 inches, 4 to 6 in extreme East Texas. Now that area's moved a little farther to the east, and then there's us. A goose egg for South Texas. No rain expected here from that. Temperatures right now in the 80s across the valley, 88 in Starr County, 87 in McAllen. Take a look at what Future Track does with temperatures tonight. We'll just go a couple of days here, but tomorrow at least 100 in most areas. Tomorrow night back in the 70s. Then look at Thursday. That's about as warm a numbers as you're going to see on that map, but it's just going to be hot, hot, hot as we head through the rest of the week and into the weekend. The next chance of showers again will come, it looks like, along about Sunday into Monday. So tonight, 75, mainly clear and warm. Northerly winds. Tomorrow the winds still mostly out of the north. Temperatures are hot at 101, 104, 103. These could go a couple degrees either way. Bottom line is the next couple of days will be hot. The wind will turn back around to the southeast later in the week, and I think then temperatures will come back down to normal, and then the chance of a shower or thunderstorm early next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.